If your PC feels slower than it should, games stutter randomly, or Windows is constantly doing things in the background while you're trying to play, this video is for you. Today, I'm showing you a completely free Windows optimizer that lets you access dozens of useful performance settings from one clean interface. No registry editing, no command prompts, no sketchy debloat scripts. Just a simple tool that helps you disable unnecessary Windows features, reduce background activity, and improve overall responsiveness. Let's get started. Step 1. Install WinToys. WinToys is a Windows utility that brings together many system settings into a single interface. Instead of navigating through multiple locations, WinToys centralizes these options into one easy-to-manage dashboard. The first thing we need is WinToys. Open Microsoft Store. Search for WinToys. Install and launch it. What's nice about WinToys is that it gathers dozens of Windows settings that are normally scattered across Control Panel, Settings, Registry Editor, and Group Policy. Instead of hunting for them manually, everything is available in one place. Before changing anything, create a restore point. You probably won't need it, but it's always smart when modifying Windows settings. Step 2. Stop background apps from eating resources. One of the most overlooked causes of poor system responsiveness is unnecessary background applications. Many Windows apps continue running even when you're not actively using them, consuming CPU time, RAM, storage activity, and network bandwidth. Open Background Apps. Inside WinToys, navigate to Background Apps. Review the list of applications that are allowed to run in the background. Disable unused applications. Turn off background access for apps you don't use regularly. Common examples include Cortana, PhoneLink, Microsoft Teams, widgets, Xbox applications you don't use, and unnecessary launchers and companion software. Be careful not to disable applications that provide functionality you rely on. Why this helps? Every background application consumes system resources. Individually, the impact may be small, but dozens of background processes can create unnecessary CPU wake-ups, memory usage, disk activity, and background network traffic. Reducing background activity allows more resources to remain available for active workloads, such as gaming, content creation, and multitasking. Step 3. Disable unnecessary Windows services. Now it's time to reduce background activity by disabling services you don't need. Open Services. This tool allows you to manage Windows services that start automatically and run in the background. Review common services. Some services that many users choose to disable include sysmain, formerly superfetch, Windows Search if you don't rely on indexing, Xbox services if you don't use Xbox features, Remote Registry, Fax, Downloaded Maps Manager. Take a few minutes to review the services list and identify anything that serves no purpose on your system. Disable only what you don't need. The objective is not to disable every service. Many Windows services are essential for stability, security, networking, updates, and hardware functionality. Disabling services blindly can cause unexpected problems. Instead, focus on services that support features you never use, consume resources in the background unnecessarily, add startup overhead, or provide functionality that isn't relevant to your workflow. For example, many users disable sysmain and Windows Search on certain systems to reduce disk activity and background resource usage. A conservative approach is usually the best approach. If you're unsure about a service, leave it enabled. Step 4. Optimize startup programs. Now move to Performance Startup Apps. This section is extremely important. Most gaming PCs have way too many startup programs. Disable things like Spotify, Discord Auto Launch, Adobe services, Epic Launcher, Steam Auto Start, RGB software you don't need. Keep GPU drivers, audio drivers, and security software. Why this helps? Every startup program increases boot time, RAM usage, and CPU scheduling overhead. Cleaning startup apps can make Windows feel dramatically faster.
Step 5. Disable Windows features that cause micro-stutter. This is where WinToys becomes really useful. Open Tweaks. Look for options related to Windows tips, suggested content, activity history, advertising ID, consumer experiences. Disable them. These features constantly generate background activity. They don't improve gaming, they only give Windows more work to do. Removing them can help reduce random CPU spikes, background disk usage, and unexpected frame time fluctuations.
Step 6. Pair it with these Windows gaming settings. Now let's combine WinToys optimizations with a few important Windows gaming settings. These adjustments help ensure your system prioritizes performance while gaming. Enable Game Mode. Open Settings, Gaming, Game Mode. Turn Game Mode on. Game Mode helps Windows prioritize the active game by reducing certain background activities and scheduling interruptions while you're playing. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, HAGS. Open Settings, System, Display, Graphics, Default Graphics Settings. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. HAGS allows the GPU to manage certain scheduling tasks directly, which can improve frame delivery and reduce latency on supported hardware. After enabling it, restart your PC. Use a high-performance power plan. Open Control Panel, Power Options. Select High Performance or Ultimate Performance if available. These power plans reduce aggressive power-saving behavior and allow your CPU and GPU to respond more quickly to workload changes.
Step 7. Clean temporary junk files. Back inside WinToys. Open Health. Run the cleanup tools. Remove temporary files, cache files, old Windows logs, unnecessary leftovers. This won't magically boost FPS, but it helps keep Windows responsive and reduces unnecessary storage activity, especially useful on older SSDs.
Step 8. Verify everything with Task Manager. Before finishing, open Task Manager. Check CPU usage at idle, RAM usage at idle, startup impact. Most users notice lower RAM consumption, fewer background processes, faster desktop responsiveness, which translates into better 1% lows, fewer random stutters, and smoother overall gameplay.
And that's it. Instead of downloading 10 different optimization tools, you can use one free application to manage Windows performance settings, startup apps, system tweaks, and debloating, all from a single interface. Just remember, don't disable things blindly. Make changes gradually. Test your games after each adjustment. If you found this useful, leave a like, subscribe, and let me know which free optimization tool you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.